Say ma. Okay, say hi again. Can you say hi again? No, that's not saying hi. That's touching the screen. Don't touch my buttons. Don't touch. Say hi. You were saying hi this whole time. Show Grandma that you can say hi. Quit it, I said. Yes, you can touch the screen. Say hi. Say hi. You've been lifting your hand up in every picture. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Yes, that's you. Yeah. Okay, now get off the computer. You can't sit on the computer, so you're going to hurt it. Say hi. Let's see if we can change the way it looks while we're recording. Can we get a heart? Say hi, Grandma. Hi. Say hi. Oh, that one don't work. Oh, look, we're on the TV screen. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Yeah. I don't know how to get it back to normal. How do we get it back to normal? Ow! Quit pushing my finger. I can't mess with the computer then. Yeah, I'm trying. It's not. Hey! Watch it, punk. Here, let's just get 4 of us. Can you say hi? Say hi. I don't know how to put it back to normal. Uh-oh. I don't know what that... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, now I can't even see us. Okay. Can we please get off the computer? Wow, okay, you smacked me in the face. Here, we'll just do black and white. Quit it. Can you say thank you? Say thank you. Thank you. Say hi, Grandma. Did you smack your head on my glasses? Here. Show Grandma the ball. Okay. Be a butthead. What? What's wrong? You good, tired? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye!